Hey, what's good? What's good? Top of the morning, family. Here we are, another day, Friday. Things are looking up right now. Market is elevated right now. It's like the Q's actually went above that. But yeah. Mom, top of the morning, King, Grand Rising, the Victory Mash, Grand Rising. Happy to have y'all here this morning. Spy at 591 pre-market, yes sir. 591.66 to be exact. Chase, good morning. Lakeisha, good morning. My life be like, good morning. All right, let's see. All right. Let's see what the poll's bringing in. The poll, he said, hey, okay, we got 71% in the green. That's 75. Okay. Y'all think we're closing green today? Let's see. M says top of the morning. Natasha, good morning. Yeah, well, good. How are we feeling this morning? I'm feeling like I want us to get out of this range. That's all. I'm feeling good. It's kind of cloudy out, but I'm appreciating the clouds because hey, yeah, appreciating the clouds because it's hot in Texas. But what is it? Matthew Mark McLaren in the mix. Hey, what's up, family? How we doing? How you been? It's been a couple days, Matthew. Did I say good morning, Levi? Tyler, good morning. Shoot, what was I gonna say? Also, when is Memorial Day? Hold up. Let me get a quick check on that too. Wacky scissors. Hey, nothing much. I'm up. How about you? Let's see. Let's slide this over here. Yes, very good morning. Did I say good morning, Tyler? If I didn't, good morning. It was hot as excuse that sound, but yeah. Chase, I know y'all have it a little bit worse than Dallas typically. Like typically it's a little bit hotter in Houston, a little bit more humid. So, hey, yesterday it was hot, but I'm not sure if it was quite volcano juice. I had a friend from Portugal actually talking about it yesterday. She like messaged my wife and I. She's like, "Are y'all okay?" She's like, "Texas is on the news in Portugal because it's so hot," and I'm like, "Yeah, we're fine." I'm like, "Yo, it's gonna get a lot worse, but hey, it's cool." Like they just opened the pool in my neighborhood today, so it might be a little bit harder to reach me now, but hey, it's all cool. All right, okay, so Matt said good brother, hoping for it. Yeah, let's have a good day. I'm hoping we can like run up and then come down. We got consumer sentiment like 30 minutes in the market open, but okay, I'm just trying to make a little bit of money and have a feeling we're going to be up today. I'm yeah. We're still riding the trend on the. Let's come down to the 1 hour. Oh well, we have crossed below the trend line, but I'm hoping we can like ride the bottom of it on the SPY. We'll see. Or I'm hoping it's like a fake out or something. Memorial Day, lady, Monday of the last Monday of the month. I got you. Cool. Appreciate you. Good news. I'm not in nothing. Nice. Honestly, that's a good way to start the day. You could just walk away and just be like, "Hey, I'm done here today." Cause you know how they normally on Fridays. Next Friday is the triple witching, but this is just a regular Friday, so you know they could be here with the games. High of 90 here in South Florida. Oh yeah, Florida. They don't play games in Florida either. It's a cloudy day, so I think the high might be 90 today too. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's I would consider this nice. It's 78 degrees right now with a high of 90 in in Dallas as well. It's all good. Frank, Grand Rising, Waleska, Grand Rising. Let me turn on live chat because I feel like I might be missing stuff. Got my rowing workout in. Good way to start the day. I looked at my schedule today and I was like, I don't even have a workout like that I'm supposed to do today. But also, like I was like had a lot of stuff to like edit and upload yesterday, so I didn't do like my leg workout yesterday. I like did my run workout, but I didn't like lift or anything, so I could potentially do that today, but today should be busy too. Do you mind showing what trades you do throughout the day? When you say what trades you do throughout the day, um, wait, what do you mean by that? Because it's like when I take a trade here, I share it. If you mean like what I took yesterday, I didn't take anything. The only thing I'm in right now is still this Google put, which is going to be down at open, and I'm in this SPY call. Let me see what that's projected to. Oh, yeah, it's not projected to be doing too well at open, but those are the only things I'm in right now. Where? Oh, there we go. Hello, walk. If only I knew better. Hey, you know better, M Sense. It's like, hey, it's just only if you behave better. You know what's up, M Sense. GD, hey, good morning, happy to have you here. Master DRC, top of the morning. Tesla did insanely good overnight. Let's see. Yeah, Tesla's up for Google's like percentage wise. Wait, hold up. Yeah, Google's up more percentage wise. Tesla chairwoman Robin Denholm exercised 112,000 stock options at 24.73 each, selling them for over 270, indicating notable insider. Okay. Google is up. Yeah, Google is. It was like this yesterday too, though. It was up at like 137, like before open, and then it just sold off the rest of the day. I'm trying to see if we can get a break of this trend line. And good morning. Also, I have a question. T26. That's a lot of moves all at once, Matt. That's overloading the brain. I'm gonna say Fubo. I can already tell you Fubo is probably just gonna die. Like that Fubo is likely a waste of time. Fubo is like that's one I want to add, but like that's gonna take some time. It doesn't move like that. It did kind of have a good move over this. What's this? What time frame is this? Yeah, it's had a good move up since earnings, but yeah, I think that's kind of going to die. I don't expect that to move too much higher. If we look at, let's see, what's the other one? T? You said you have a 26.5 call? Oh, you said puts. I would just say that's a large move. To put all on a Friday, that's a large move. Those are, I would say, like that's probably going to be worthless at open, like when you see it. Also, yeah, I don't think SCHD is making that move either. So my bet is those all expire worthless. Thought about getting a call on 55 call on NVDL. Let's see. Oh, cool. We still got 4 minutes till market open. Uh, I don't love it here. I would say it's a better pickup at 51, but it's like it. Honestly, I wouldn't let what I say do it. I would just like, yo, what's the trend looking like? It's crossed to the or it's crossing to the lower side of the trend, but it's still holding on the 15. So I would just pick like a time frame and stick to it and like trade accordingly. TSLL, what is it looking like? If it looks anything like Tesla, it's still, yeah, there's like a range up here. I'm gonna look at Tesla, but yeah, it looks like resistance is going to be about 1550, a little below 1550. Above that, it could probably run. But yeah, I would say, I think I had Tesla over here. Yeah, Tesla is one I actually had charted. It's like, unless Tesla like gets above 248 and holds, I wouldn't really look too heavily at it. It's in a, honestly, it's looking like, it didn't look like this as much on TSLL, I guess, because it doesn't trade as many hours, or like you don't have the after hours movement. But with Tesla, looking like you potentially have a double top that could be formed on the day. So, and I'm looking at the 4 hour when I say that. All right, I saw something about Nvidia shorting their own shares. If I heard right, isn't that put time? If they're shorting their own shares, I mean that would make sense. Like if they're shorting their shares and they think there's reason for them to come down, that seems a little weird for a company. But it's like, if the company is doing it themselves, yeah, I don't see any reason for it not to. I'm curious about how UNH is going to do today. So we talked about UNH yesterday. I had said that I'm personally like, I think it can continue down. Like even if it trades sideways, I think it can continue to push down to like, this seems crazy, but like down to like this 188 level is kind of where I would be like, okay, down here I will get something. I think I may have like, I don't know, I think I left myself a note on the move I would make if it gets there too. But UNH, it has too many eyeballs on it right now. It's like when you stop caring about it, when you stop thinking about it, and when everyone else stops talking about it, that's when it'll start to turn around. All right, Google is, all right, both stocks are doing exactly what I don't need them to do. Google just hit like 168. All right, let's see. Video Rillo, good morning. Gave a Fubo free trial to the apps. Yeah, honestly, Fubo, like, I've used it. It's cool. Like Fubo is cool. Like the stuff you can watch and how you don't have to pay as much to watch, like all that stuff. But like the actual like user interface on the TV I use, and I think even on the computer, it was like kind of slow and laggy. But it's cool after you're watching what you want. But whenever you want to fast forward or anything like that, it needs improvements. All right, so all right, Tesla. I think they're crossing some level. I think it's to the downside. Let's see. Don't forget we got consumer sentiment and I think inflation expectations. Yeah, in about 30 minutes. So those are red folder events. Just want to bring that to y'all's attention. So We'll either get a stronger push down or a stronger push up. All right, so Google's going for it. I don't think it'll go above like 170, but yeah, I actually think it's good that it gets this move up out of the way. All right. This was early in the week, and I took. Oh, you didn't look at anything, Matt? See smooth top. Hola, Christine. Bro, when is OpenAI? No idea. No idea. Evil Knievel, good morning. It's already over $500. What's over $500? Are you talking about OpenAI? Okay, so SoFi is going for support. All right, so we got things in different directions. Let me see if there's news on Google today. Google One boost. Hold up. Boost Alphabet's revenue strategy. Google One has exceeded 150. Oh, Google is pushing though. Hi Matthew, good. Hey, Hustle Hard Realtor, good morning. Yoko, good morning. Dwight, good morning. Do you have to stick to your option? No, you don't have to. Like, if you're talking about like, do you have to ride it all the way to the strike price? You don't. When you stop worrying, the law of attractions will come into play. Align yourself positively. So, I used to be kind of into that, but I'm gonna say I don't personally. I believe a little bit more of the reticular activation system, and like just kind of like wherever you focus is like what you'll get. I mean, it's kind of like the same thing as the law of attraction, but I don't personally believe like just saying it will make it happen. I believe like it's just like whatever you focus on, and like honestly, I believe it's like whatever you have to tell yourself. So I think it's something, but I don't think it's like 100% like law. Kareem, good morning. No, there's more than just saying it. Yeah, yeah, definitely need to take action. Definitely, like you need to like, I don't know. It's like yeah, I would say there's more than just saying it too, but you gotta like also like in the beginning you may be saying it and you don't believe it. So sometimes saying it like helps you get to a place like once you hear it enough, you start believing it. Isaac, good morning. Yeah, that's how I like brainwash my friends with positivity. It's like I'll hear my friends kind of down on themselves about something. I'm like, nah, and then I'll just like flood them with a bunch of positive words to the point where they believe it. You said have to train your mind and body. Yeah, I would say that's to me that's taking action. So it's like I agree. It's like if you don't like take action, if you're not being disciplined, like if you're not doing anything that's like if you say you're going to do something and you're not following through, you're not going to believe or trust yourself. It's super hard though because ETH Edmund can wonder. I don't understand the ETH Edmund can wonder part. But I had you the rest of the way, Kelly. Sorry, super hard because the mind can. Yeah. No, yeah, 100%. And it's like I get those intrusive thoughts all the time, And then like I step back and like tell myself like, yo, what's the reality? I mean, first off, like, yeah, what's the reality of the situation? What's the worst that can happen? What's the best that can happen? Which one of those would we rather focus on? It's like, is the worst that bad? No, it's not that bad. And then it's like, honestly, when it comes to it going well, it's like things can get a lot better than, honestly, even what I have pictured. But no, yeah, it's like, yeah, that focus and your mindset. Yo, around here, family, hey, we like to keep our glass half full. It's like when it seems like something, when it's hard in the moment, when it seems like things aren't going right, like right now, how we're in El Salvador, it's like, yo, what's this doing for our story? What kind of story will we have to tell at story time? I have the law of attraction surprise me. I believe the law of attraction is going to eventually hit me big in the stock market. I mean, you can call it a lot of things. I think yeah, ultimately it's whatever you want to call it. Cause it's like you could also say the law of large numbers. You can call it like probabilities and whatnot. But also it's just gonna like your oh yeah, like it's like stay persistent. You'll get there. It's like a lot of people that don't really kind of hit it. They usually like just give up too soon. Facts. Well, can go in. Excellent. Bad ain't that bad when you look back on it. Nah, for real. Yeah, things that I thought I would be ashamed of back in the day, I'm not so ashamed of now. Do you think Walmart will keep falling? Here, let's take a look at Walmart. Walmart looks like it's chilling at the moment. Looks like it has support at about like 95, 60, 79. I don't really see any reason for Walmart to fall. Like it had earnings, but it's just chilling in the range. And I'm pretty sure this happened like during extended hours, so it doesn't look like it wants to move right now at all. Walmart. The universe is going to pay me out. You can also go out there and get it, Kelly. It's like if you want to take it, you can take it. I'm not saying go rob a bank or anything, but I'm saying like you can make it happen too. It's like the stock market. It's like yo, you need these stars to align, but it's like we have things that we can do to make things happen as well. Of course that's more work, but oh, let me make sure I'm not missing anything. TGIF, good morning. Hey, top of the morning, Randy. The theory of infinite possibilities. One day all my clothes will be folded perfectly when I open the dryer. Hey, Matt, one day I'm going to find out where you live when I get my Tesla bot, and I'm going to have it play a prank on you, and that's going to line up, and that's going to be exactly how that happened. Yeah, that's what's going to happen. I'm going to be like, hey, Tesla bot, I'm going to need you to go find Matthew Mark McLaren. I'm gonna need you to be quiet. Don't tell him. But I'm gonna need you to go in, grab his clothes, fold them perfectly while he's asleep though. Like do something to put him asleep. You may not even remember. We might have to hit you with like some gas or something. And then we need you to fold his clothes and then yeah, I don't know. CoreWeave. I don't remember the ticker for CoreWeave. All right, so Tesla. Yeah, we could have a double top on Tesla. We'll have to see. I said we had a potential right there. But yeah, Tesla looks like it's sweeping that liquidity, but it also didn't come into this supply zone. So that this could also be liquidity to get later. It could still push up. We still, once again, have data in like 19 minutes. So that's kind of what I'm waiting for. We're just watching stuff right now. I do work full time from home. What do you do, Evil Knievel? Or yeah, what do you do? I'm always so curious and interested. What do y'all do? Hey, both green. Danielle, good morning. Grand Rising looks like everything going up this morning. That might happen because everyone playing the law of attraction, doesn't matter if you want to or not. You put it in the universe, it becomes possible. Your Tesla bot and mine will take it to the grass. Oh no. Oh no, man. Always trying to start something. Okay, Core Weave. Oh, work for a hotel chain? Didn't you say you were having a stream? Was it today, Kelly, or nah? I know someone said they were having a stream. I thought it was in the AM or oh, it's Saturday. Okay, that's why I was like, yeah, I might go to Run Club tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see. If I don't go to Run Club, I might be able to do it. We'll see. 8 a.m. Mountain Time. Yeah, I miss living in Mountain Time just a little bit. Stop by, just say hi. Hey, that's usually what I do. That's what I do. I'm like, hey, send a little wave. I'll hit the little wave like Lucky J. Let's see. IQ So Real. What's up, family? Hey, Dom. Good morning. I wish I had dreams to tell me the scoop. Y'all, I had a weird dream like a couple nights ago. I was like on trial for something, and it was almost like somebody put all these memories inside me that like they didn't actually happen, but it felt like very real, like it had happened. And I think I was on trial for like, I don't know, apparently me and some friends from like high school or something, it was like we buried a body or something. And it was like I disassociated and like completely forgot about it. It's weird. Oh no, no way. Nah. I'm not killing people. Not this soul. So you said, what's the play for the morning? We got some data dropping in like 15 minutes, so we want to wait for that to see like what the market's going to do. I hope the market pushes up, and if the market doesn't push up, I hope it sells off. Tesla looks like it's forming a double top though. That's just kind of how it looks. All right, let's see. LOL, dreams can help you. I would say most of the time I don't even remember dreams. Most of the time I dream, I'm just having fun. Most of the time. Let's see. Wish I had dreams. Wait, hold up. What are streaming? What was that, Daniel? Gotta get a good option play at some point. Lost money on the last 3. Honestly, I would say unless you've been kind of like scalping, like, or looking for like smaller trades, like just trading ranges, or unless you've been catching the like morning SoFi moves, there hasn't been like or at least not the way I do. Hasn't been anything like too crazy. Sounds like the Matrix and the Diddy. Whose car are we taking? Hey, I don't even know, family. You reap what you sow. Hey, yeah, that's what I like to see. I like to look at like everything I do, like everything I do is like planting a seed. Like every relationship, like every one of y'all I talk to right now, every dollar invested. If I were ever to start beef, yeah, all of those things are like little seeds that as you like kind of feed them and water them and whatnot, they grow over time. So if you have some beef and you keep like sprinkling and feeding that seed over time, that's gonna grow. And then next thing you know, maybe you're in secot, like you find yourself in a gang or in a gang war, something ends up like getting you or your family ended. So we don't want to water that. Or it's like if you um or I don't know, if you start investing, the money starts to compound, and then next thing you know, it's like, oh shoot, I'm making money while I sleep. Hey, that starts to grow. It's like, yo, I 100%. I had a similar dream about a week ago, except I was in prison. Bro, I was on trial to go to prison, and it was like, yo, I wasn't even gonna lie. I was like, yo, I low key feel like I remember doing it. It's like I haven't thought about it all these years, but I was like, I feel like I remember doing it. It's crazy. Can't remember any of my dreams the last few years, but I remember dreaming every night. I feel that. I feel that. All right, so we're still here. Let me drop down to let's go to like a 15. All right, so the SPY has support in this like 590 area. Let's look at Tesla. Let's go Google. Slide that over. Yeah. Yeah, core weave does look like it's pushing. Do they have a catalyst? Maintained at over. They had earnings on Wednesday. Okay. All right, let me get back to the comments. Where are you getting your data in 10 minutes? So it's just on forexfactory.com. I'm not really concerned about what the data says, if we're being honest. I'm more concerned about how the market reacts to it, because sometimes we get stuff that's considered good and we sell off, but other times we get stuff that's considered good and we go up. So it really just depends on how the market wants to react to it. Well, I thought it was only me that don't remember. What are you streaming? What do you mean by what am I streaming? Are you talking about me, or are you talking about Evil Knievel? Do y'all like hear something in the background or something? Because right now I'm just should just be the stocks, or like should just be what you see on stream. Most people don't remember your dreams, but then something will happen throughout the day to make you remember it. So I would say I remember my dream first thing in the morning when I wake up, and then I just forget about it. Some things are like more prominent, and then other things like I just let it go. I'll just be like, huh, that was interesting, and then let it go. I work for, oh, I saw that. I think I commented when you said that, and I said that's cool. I like always just wonder what y'all do. What hotel chain are you able to say which hotel chain, or is it like hush hush secret? Um, Southern Magnolia. Good morning. Okay, so it looks like what are those? Those are what is the word for those? Yeah, I see QBTS, ACHR. Casey, good morning. Merrill Lynch won't let me buy TSLL. Talking about extremely. Yeah, so that's how it is with like what is it? What can I think? Oh, Interactive Brokers. They say I'm not experienced enough to buy like SQQQ and TQQQ, but they'll let me buy like these wild penny stocks. So Derive has a USO swing. It's up a few bucks. Here, let me pull it up. I usually just like to look at the stocks that I always the ones that I like when I see a stock that I actually trade on Derive. That's what I'll do. I don't typically trade USO. So it's a USO swing. Yeah, this is like just looking at the chart for this. I don't really know what to say. The RSI is chilling in the middle. It's a call, but I mean, you might have like a double bottom here. It's like it could go up, but I don't see anything telling me it would go up. So it's not one I would take. It's like I can see it. I can see that working out, but it's not one that I would take just because it's not one that I'm like familiar with. I see they just got one on Palantir. It's a Palantir swing. It's a call. Here, where's Palantir at right now? So yeah, they got Palantir going to like 130. I can see that happening. Who made the universe? Good God Almighty. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, yo, the universe had to come from somewhere. Good morning, bro. In your opinion, if you have $100, is it better to buy $10 options or $100 option? I would probably the $100 option. God, Evil Knievel. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. All right. I think Evil Knievel stream was like him. I think he's. You said you were like testing. Like you were gonna be flying something like RC, like airplanes maybe. I want to say. Nvidia looks like they're chilling right now. So right now they're at the top of their supply zone. There is some liquidity over here. Let's see. So this would potentially be a good level for it to like just pull back, but let's see. Oh wait, hold up. Let's bring that down a little bit. Got mine too high. Oop, that's not what I was trying to do. Bro, why does that keep happening? Every time. Okay. So at 36.59, NVIDIA. Oh, okay. So that just happened, yeah. So NVIDIA looks like it's sweeping liquidity. Or I guess it already happened. So yeah, this is like a potential 4-hour sweep of liquidity. So this might bring things down. I don't know. We still got data in 3 minutes, but here, let me it's like something tells me I want to close out of that put I have on this buy. Let's see. Yeah, it's not going too crazy right now. Let's see. Still got that in 3 minutes. John Glenn, good morning. Such a random question, but how do I add the pre-market shadows to TradingView? I saw it one of your videos. You said pre-market shadows. I'm not. Oh, okay. You're talking about like. Okay, I got you. So extended hours. Okay, so extended. If you want extended hours, I don't know if you're on the computer or not, but if you like right click, then go down to settings, and on the symbol area, make sure you're on the symbol where it says session. You want to make sure it's extended trading hours and not regular trading hours, and you'll be able to see like all the candles. Can look at Fubo again. So I would take it right now because it's where there's liquidity. If break even is 6, I would take that dollar of profit, or you might be up more. But I would personally take that. I think it's going to leave. Unless you want to wait a minute and see what happens with this data, but I'm not even sure this data would affect Fubo. I had a dream once that I was robbing a bank, had some money clenched in my hand so tight at the moment I woke up. I was still trying to. Oh, that's wild. Oh, let's see. I used to have those dreams. Oh, that's wild. How would you prompt? Honestly, I don't know. I haven't, like, there's a lot more I want to do with AI, but also I find myself like so busy just on the day to day that I do not know specifically. But I would say, like, if I was trying to have it look at my watch list, like, if you have the watch list set up in Derive, I would say looking at, like, using my watch list, what do you see? But that's only if you have the watch list set up in Derive AI. Some of my friends have jets, all kinds. Oh, that's cool. Sorry, not really. Oh no, it's all cool. It's about community here. I heard Michael Berry shorted his Nvidia share. Yeah, I saw that I didn't know that he did it against his, but I know he was shorting Nvidia. And I also saw that he's picking up like a lot of Estee Lauder. That's one I've been talking about for some time. Got me a few shares. Oh, you're on your iPad? It should still be the same, Casey. You would just click on the gear icon. I believe it should be in the corner. Like, get to where you click on the gear icon when you're on the charting screen. All right, so here, let's take a quick look at the data. All right, so consumer sentiment, a little below expectations. Inflation expectations, oh, it's 7.3. I don't know what that means. It's higher than last time. As of right now, there is nothing coming of this. But you are getting your little Fubo push, Matt. Honestly, I would like, at the least, if I were still in that, I would try to set a stop. ARCH moving up. Yeah, it's moving up. Honestly, to me, it's getting to put territory in my eyes. All right, so we got the data. We just don't really have anything happening. It's looking like we're still kind of like, I don't know, selling off, but or we're just in the range. I think today's a do nothing kind of day. Welcome, Casey. I've been getting a lot of lessons on how to get out of a trade before I lose money. What should I stop my stop limit at? I don't know where your option's at, but I would make sure. I would just I would probably have it at least $1 in a profit, and as it continues to move up, I would just kind of take it and adjust it. I've been killing it with Netflix, but I miss out on max profits because that stock be. Hey, that's honestly, to me is better to not necessarily like maximize, because it's like if you try to maximize everything, it's like you also, I feel like you get slammed pretty hard whenever it goes the other way. Can you look at Walmart for a potential call? So I looked at Walmart. Walmart didn't really look like it was doing anything. It looked like it was just chilling. So, like, kind of where Walmart sits, it's like I wouldn't have anything to really say about it. Oh, I guess it started moving. Let's go. I don't know if Walmart holds up. It's like, I don't know. I would just try to ride the trend. I would get whatever is closest to the money that I can afford. And I would look at the delta and see like, oh, is that moving enough each dollar? But honestly, next level you would look for would be probably about 98.90, and then back kind of to this like $100.42 area. UNH is creeping. UNH is moving according to a much larger time frame. Let's see. All right, so Tesla took a bigger candle to the downside right there. There's like no no unity in the market right now. It's like all over the place. We got SPY pulling back. Actually, we got the Qs pulling back too. They're close to their support, but it's like, do they like come down and break here, or do they bounce and stay in this range? Netflix is a lot of whoever knew that Blockbuster would turn into a stock more expensive than a lot of stocks. Delta should be high then on all theta trades. Ideally your delta is higher than your theta, but not necessarily. It depends on the purpose of the trade. Like sometimes like if you get like a super cheap trade that you're expecting to move really far, then it's like sometimes your delta might be low to start with, but if you think it's going to make a large move, that delta is going to change, and that'll get to a point where it'll exceed the theta. But if you're trying to swing something, ideally you're going to have that. But also, if you're going to swing something, it was kind of cheap and you're expecting a large move, then that theta may also be higher than the delta. So it really just depends on kind of like what your expectations are. Broke college investor, what's up, family? Really just trying to see what this market is trying to do. Consumer sentiment falls in May as Americans' inflation expectations jump after tariffs. Matt, I'm up 1,000%. Hey, glad that ended up working out for you. Let's see. Oh yeah, Fubo is kind of going crazy. That's almost like there's some kind of catalyst there. That was like good timing. Fubo signs agreement to stream European League football. Yeah, I don't see like any catalyst that would make that happen today. Support on SoFi for today is 1360, I believe. Yeah, it's 1360. So yeah, it's about $10 above, or 10 cents above support right now. Hey, all I gotta say, Matt, is do not let that go red. That there's no reason that trade should go red. But that's good. Sometimes you get paid on the. Sometimes you get paid on these occurrences. Orenzi, bro, what is that thumbnail? Yo, if we don't hit the like count, we end up in Secot in El Salvador. So it's like yesterday we didn't hit the like count. So hey, we're in here in prison right now. ACHR keeps going. Might do a call. I need a play, bro. I'm desperate for a win. Everything pop from 8:30 to 9. I would say if you're desperate for it, you probably need to step away. You said I should probably sell? I mean, it's at a key level. So, yeah, I would set my stop at the least. Here, I'm going to move to like a 5. Oh, that's a little bit clearer. Okay. So right now we got like a little downturn like that on the SPY. Let's see what happens with that. Let's go to a 5 on the Qs. That's kind of clear too. All right, so looks like we're still just kind of around support. James, good morning. How's the market looking today? Right now it's still in a range. Like it's up on the day, but yeah, we're still in the range right now. What you feeling, SPY puts or calls today? I'm trying to see. Like I would say if we don't like break this support down here and we end up breaking this upside, it might be go for calls. But just kind of where it is right now, it's kind of nothing. Where's my phone? Oh, there it is. All right, you sold out. Good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah, that looks like a key level on the 4-hour. We'll see. George, good Friday. You're very welcome. All right, I was just wondering where you been. Oh, I'm here like every day. Every day. When are my Discords? Discords? I have the Discord in that's the first link in the description. All right, hold up. We might break through right here. Here, I'll here, 1 second. There you go. All right, so we might get a break right here. Let's see. All right, here, I'm gonna close out. Maybe. All right, let me. So I closed out the Google put and the SPY call. They're both moving against me, and I feel like I can find something better today, potentially. So I'm gonna close those out. Let me update the family. Was not liking. All right. So yeah, now I'm gonna try to look for confirmation on the SPY. See if we can get some confirmation. If we get confirmation on the SPY, I might try to go for. See if we can go back and test the high. Probably go for like a day trade or something. I'm looking at the contracts. Let's see what the delta, that's 20 cents. Oh, it's already trying to push. Hold on, let me look at the Qs. Hold up. 520 to. No, that's a different range. Trying to find whatever has the best delta. All right, so we got one candle up here. Let's see if we still have like the momentum or if we just go on down. Okay, made my money for the day. Have a good weekend. Hey, peace out, Video Rillo. Do you think Walmart will break 100 today? All right, we'll have to see. It's like it can, but it can also just chill out here too. Sound $12 call for today. Hey, Matt's trying to. Are you in a cash account, Matt? Hold on, I'm trying to watch the SPY right now. See if there's a play here. Okay, that makes sense. time? It's like 9:30. We're still gonna wait here. Patient right now is the move. Yeah, that's kind of what it's looking like. Yeah, because we're above this trend line on the 5. So it's looking like we might get if this holds, we might be able to take a SPY contract to at least like 592.50 if we like get full on confirmation right here. But yeah, we need to see what happens. Let me see what it's looking like on a 15 as well. Yeah, we might keep selling off. Yeah, I still I will want to see one more candle after this too, to see how the 15 looks. Because this isn't as strong as I thought it'd be. It didn't like break with strength. Yes, I closed the Google put like a moment ago. Just because both the SPY and the Google were moving against me. And I'm not trying to just move sideways in this. If they're both going to stay in this range, it's better for me to not be in anything. Should probably margin because I don't make that many trades a day, but here we are. Hold up. All right, so SPY, that's okay. That's looking a little better. Let's see how. That might have been a retest right there. Let's see how we're looking on the 50. Oh, wrong time frame. The Qs is still below though. Yeah, I'm gonna still have to see what this next candle looks like. Yeah, because the Qs isn't going for it either. Oh, it's crazy. Fubo's still trying to move. Oh, just so y'all know, I'm not ignoring y'all when y'all are talking about the other stuff moving up. But it's like I know for a fact, like with me, if I'm focused on too many stocks, I'm not going to be able to do what I need to do. So it's like after I kind of have my thing, hey, it might work, but like right now I'm just hold on, they got a swing for an Nvidia put. Let me check that out. That could be something. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, SPY still trying. Oh, I kind of did that on accident, but I kind of was going to do it, but I grabbed a spy call that, wait, a 596 spy call just now. I'm hoping to at least ride up to 290 or 592.54. It expires Monday, so this is not going to be one that I'm trying to just stick around in. But I'm trying to see if we can get a little ride. So let me let the family know. I paid 69 for it. Just grabbed a 590. Was it 596? Spy call. Paid 69 per share. Expires on Monday. All right, let's see. So I'm in that spy call. See if we can ride it to the other side of the range. SMCI is on a rocket. Oh, they're trying to play with me. Let's see. Should I buy SPY right now? That comes down to you. I'm not a financial advisor. Dang. Hold on, let's see. Is this a retest or is this about to be a failure? That might be my trade for the day right there. Let's see if this holds up. It's fine. If not, I'm about to have to, that's me getting stopped out. That's like right after I bought in. That's kind of wild. Okay, we're still. All right. Okay. Right now it's looking all right. We got another 15-minute candle, but now it's also trying to push back in. Let's see. And the Q's is at support. What's going to happen here? Yeah, it's looking like I'm about to get stopped out. Yeah, so that's about to be a day trade. So I don't know. It's okay. This candle it's all over the place. But I'm on edge. I'm might be stopped out of that one, depending on how this candle closes. Feel like unless anything major, everything. Yeah, that's usually how it is. On Fridays. Did you ever think of buying that put option for Fubo? No, I'm not gonna trade Fubo like that personally. Oh well, unless you're talking about the other map. Oh, what's up, Lucky J? Oh, you know what? It might be all right. Okay, might be all right. I'm not really loving it right here though. So when I buy a call for Monday, it has to hit even or above, and I get money. Or so I would highly recommend like messing with the Robinhood watch list tool first before actually taking a trade. But the trade just has to move in your favor. If the contract moves in value or increases in value, then you can sell it whenever. You can sell it at any point. If it goes down if the contract goes up $1 in value, you can sell it. If it goes down $1 in value, you can sell it at a loss. You can sell it whenever you want. And then also to those of you like if y'all are trying to like message each other or talk to each other in the chat, if you put the @ sign before you like say someone's name, it'll make it a lot more clear who you're trying to talk to. The little A with the circle, that helps the person getting the message know like what it should be or what it is. All right, the cues look like they might be about to break. There you go. So it would be like this. So the @ I don't know. Oh wait, hold up. Yeah, it's a capital J, so it's like it worked for me. Like if I type in @ and then I type in, yeah, I think it's like sensitive to even like whatever case it is, like if it's uppercase or lowercase, yeah, it kind of goes like that. All right, so this isn't going my way. I'm out of that again. All right, so I got stopped out. So here, let's see. All right. All right, so y'all, I'm done. But I did just grab a put to swing on the cues. I think I got for next, I got it for the 22nd. It's a 498 put. So yeah, I got some days on it. I'm still looking for downside, but yeah, that's it. So yeah, I have a put I'm swinging. I'm not trading on the day. I kind of agree. Wait, hold up. Hi, bro. Can you explain like which strike price we need to pick from the current price? Can you explain like for both call and put which expiration day we should trade? I have a playlist. I would highly recommend. Here, let me. I will drop the link, but that's like a way too much to go over right now. So it's like I'll drop a link for the playlist, and then we will kind of. I would say you can watch that in your free time. So here, let me quickly. That's the link to the playlist. Now, when it comes to the playlist, here, let me
There. In this video,
hold up real quick. When it comes to the playlist, this is the playlist. So it starts off with this video. This first video is going to set you up to learn how to trade. So I start off by going over, like, first off, how to set up your charts in TradingView. Like, this is how it looks when you first set it up. How to like customize it, how to set your indicators and whatnot, all that good stuff. Then we get then we get into how to like use the tools and whatnot, set it up. Then I go over like how to like analyze a trend and whatnot. No, first then I go over how to read a candlestick, how to analyze a trend, so knowing which way the market is going, how to draw trend lines. So that's a strategy in itself right there. Analyzing the trend on the chart, risk versus reward. So actually kind of getting in and like saying, oh, the trade is likely to go here, all that good stuff. Where to set your stop loss. And then I actually go over how to buy and sell a stock and place a stop loss and all that. So a lot of the stuff y'all ask me in this in the chat. Watch this playlist. The first video is kind of long, but all the rest of them are below like the next longest one is like 16 and a half minutes, and then they're all below 15 minutes. So I would highly recommend check out that playlist, and yeah, you should know a lot more about the markets. All right, so let's see. All right. So yeah, check out that link I just sent. All right, okay, let's see. Oh, yeah, Matt. Yeah, those ats. Oh, peace out, Evil Knievel. But yeah, those ats, they're working. Evil Knievel, that works. Matt, that works. Yeah, it's like my name is highlighted. Let me show you what it looks like when I do y'all's names. Let's see. There we go. So yeah, Matt, that's what it looks like when I do your name. Oh, let me make sure I updated the family real quick. I'm not sure I did. I'm grabbing what is it? I think a 498 Q to hold for the weekend. You said the tag doesn't show on your side? Well, it's like highlighted in orange on mine. Here, I can show you real quick. This is what I see. I see like this orange right here. Like whenever you say my name, it's like orange. That's what I see behind the scenes. Pay 40.52 for it. It expires. What is it? Expires the 22nd. Honestly, if this put on the queues does well, that other put I had would have done well too. Eventually, it's just kind of had to go for a ride to get it. But right now, we're kind of below support on the queues, or at least the first support. Next support is going to be around like 550 or 516 on the queues. We're below support on the SPY. So it's like we could fall more here. Like we could today could be the day that we actually start moving down. Oh, and there goes Google. Now Google wants to move. After I made my day trades, but it is what it is. All right, hold on. Man, I just want to say thanks, Matthew, for creating a place where we can all come and learn. Appreciate that, Evil Knievel. Julie says SPY is near a level that is reversed off of. Yeah. So wait, hold up. So this has it been 3 times it's reversed from it? Yeah, we had 1, 2. Well, I guess it depends on what time frame you're on, but I feel like you're on a lower time frame. But yeah, SPY is at a pretty major level, so I feel like that should still work out. Hey, what low do you think Google will hit? So it looks like Google came up here. Like now that I'm looking on the 4-hour, Google came up here. I think it's going to break the trend line. Next level would be about 160. If it still has steam after 160, maybe about this 156. If it still has steam after that, it's probably coming to close the gap down at 153. That's kind of what I'm gunning for. I'm gunning for the markets coming to target the gap. Now, I don't know what would happen, could happen. Nothing's been signed with this deal that Trump has going on, so we are going to see. But look at that, Walmart is still running too. It's kind of crazy. Here, let's see. You're gonna put on Google, like the stream before. Oh, yeah, hey, I noticed we got 116 people on the stream. We got 77 likes. I don't know if y'all to those of you that are new here, I don't know if you like the thumbnail or not. I don't know how you feel about it. But to those of you that are unaware, all we just ask 100 likes. Smash that like button, get us to 100 likes, and we are free from the depths of Secot, El Salvador, maximum security prison, like probably the most notorious prison in the world. And we don't have to look at all those faces, all those scary faces behind me when we click on and are deciding, do we want to trade today? Do we want to mess with the thugs in the background? Do we want to risk it? Yeah, so hey, smash the like button. Save us from the depths of Secot. All right, let's see. That's cool, thanks. Hey, you're very welcome, Anil. Do you have a video for understanding the Yeah, so there on that same playlist, there is a video that goes over that exact thing I was just saying. So here, let me see which. Let me click on it real quick.
In this video,
Hold up. All right, so when it comes to the one that's about understanding, uh, so the video is going to be this one that says want to understand options pricing. Watch this video. That's going to be the one you want to watch for what you just asked me about. Let's see. Matthew, do you think Foot Locker is going to keep rising? It shouldn't, because the reason that Foot Locker rose to the level that it did is because that was like the acquisition price. So it should stay around this $24 area. Like it's like anything, like if you catch it around like $20, yo, go on, buy it, buy option, do whatever. It's like, cause that's gonna be an extra like $4 per share you get. That's free money. But that's something to think about. That would be a very slow chat, but yeah, we can do that. So El Salvador will be subscriber only mode. Like, you think it should be members only mode or subscriber only? Okay. That's something. That would be hard. That would be hard to get out of El Salvador, but that's something to think about. Yeah, we can do that. I think the conversation would be a lot more focused as well. You said SPY bounced. Here, let's see. Let's get back in there. I still got SPY below the initial downtrend. It did find support at, yeah, there is support here on the 5-minute around this like 589, kind of like 40 area. We'll see what happens. But yeah, okay. Well, yeah, if we're in the SECOT on Monday, it'll be subscribers only mode. Yeah, so actually, yeah, we'll make it more like a maximum security prison. Hey, 8 more likes and we're free. All right, let's see. Okay, when you tag me, it's gray. Okay, all right, cool. The person you talking to receives a highlight. Yes. One question, meta, next support. Let's see. Meta. Where's meta? Looks like there's some support at 625. Then like 615. Then I would say like 610. Then like 606. And then below that, we got a gap to fill. It's 593. Oh. So forget Google. Yeah, Google is yeah, the price movement on Google not making sense. But hey, it is what it is. It's still riding the trend line up though. So until that trend line gets broken, you have a good weekend too, Tyler. Let's see. Is it good to trade leverage product? If you are making money, like if it's going in your favor, yeah, it's good to trade leverage. But if you're not very risk averse, if you can't tolerate a loss or anything like that, no, it's not good. Discord members. Oh, I don't know how to. So the way to make the Unfortunately, I can't regulate Discord on YouTube. We can run the stream from Discord, but that's also not helpful. Foot Locker bounce, Dicks probably dipped. Once Foot Locker start making money, Dicks will slowly rise up, I think. I honestly don't know. I watched the video kind of going over it, but I don't know. All right, first sub mode, if keeps happening, members only. That makes sense. Yeah, because it's like, I feel like anybody coming back on a regular should be a subscriber. Like that's kind of what subscribing is, but it's like we're not trying to force anybody to pay for anything. Henry, top of the morning. When I renew, I'll become a member on YouTube. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Yeah, I really wish I could just like lump them together. Or I wish like honestly I would just have everyone be a member on YouTube instead of Discord. If I could like if I could just if I had a way to actually message y'all on YouTube aside from the comments, I'll just be like, yo, send me your name and like let me check, see if you're in there. Oh, maybe I do. Maybe I do. Yeah, because it's like I can always give the role. But no, yeah, let me actually, if I'm being real, I'm not gonna have the time to do that this weekend. But it's like ideally it would be nice to like set some kind of like welcome video for the members on YouTube. I gotta see if that's something you can do. And then I could just be like, yo, like as a member here on YouTube, you get access on the Discord, and that would be cool. Still have this 26.5 put, and I mean the real question is like do you want the guaranteed money or do you want to take the chance? All right, peace out, Matt. We will not be seeing you in Secot. All right. Well, I mean, we're still like 5 likes under too. USO looking good. Limit order triggered before I could cancel, but I'm up 6. Hey, that's good. Bought a slightly lesser one that expires day early, but I'm watching both. Okay. Yeah, as long as you know where it is. Yeah, you defiantly deserve us. Oh, appreciate that, Kelly. Up 17% on my Walmart call. All right, let's see. Hey, good stuff, Julie. Good stuff. All right, let's see. Oh no, just realized I was being a lurker. Oh, Josh, how could you? Hey, no worries. Holding. Let's go. Let's go get these swimming pools. Hey, whatever motivates you, family. I'm cleaning my sister's PC and wasn't paying attention. How kind of you, Josh. Spy needs to make up his mind. Does it want to be a supporter of resistance? Spy said it's waiting for Trump to give us some more news on this this trade situation. All right, we did it. We're free. Unless Matt decides to remove his like, you know. We did it. The thumbnail's gonna change. No, probably not. Let's see. Let's see. Is there any press or anything? So I see some open press on like 10:40 p.m. That's the only thing I see. Homie has a very busy life. Good morning. I'm new to the channel and trading as well, and I'm liking it. It's Aniak at Aniak and I'm Aniak. I'm gonna say Aniak. If you can provide phonetics, let me know. But yeah, otherwise, hey, we're rolling with Aniak. So we got Euro close in like 32 minutes. We'll see where that takes us. I'm ready if Matt is. Oh, if Matt reneges on this, let me look at that definition, cause that's a funny word. I'm pretty sure I get what it is from how you used it, but I want to see the actual definition of renege. Oh wait, hold up. Oh, hold up. Now I gotta find the phonetic spelling. Okay, so it's okay. All right, so it actually brought me to Urban Dictionary. Renege or renege. The common misspelling of renege, variously used for backing out on or of an agreement, and often mistaken as a racial epithet. Makes sense. All right, let's see. If I stay with it, basically. Oh, it's like a spades thing. At least that's how I was thinking. All right, okay. So yeah, we're here Friday. Hey, anybody got any? Hey, we're just here yeah, we're just here chilling right now. Bro, I see one of my friends outside. Homie is like walking laps around the apartment complex. It's not that big. He told me like likes to get like 5 miles a day. I need to show my friends like some new places to go. Cause I'll see like a lot of my friends in this neighborhood like just walking laps around the complex. It's like we got a nice neighborhood right beside us where you can just like go and explore. But let's see. But yeah, what y'all got planned today? I'm kind of just, hey, we're here chilling. The market is it's moving, not really, but yeah, what y'all got planned? Let's see. I'm looking at Derive AI. Let's see what okay. All right, so I'm on Derive AI now. Just looking at some of the interesting ones is saying. NVO was one from this morning. Okay, let's see what else we got. I know y'all were talking about QUBT. Yeah, homie's going crazy. I think somebody was trying to short that earlier this week or something. Twas not me. 102nd. Hey, appreciate that. Counseling the doctors. What do you mean counseling the doctors? Oh, also, Kelly, you never said, are you able to say which hotel company you work for? Or is it like hush hush? was like, it's 100% okay if it's hush hush, but if not, yo, share it, fam. I want some connections. I'm going to counseling and the doctors I work for. Okay, okay. Good stuff, good stuff. Best Western. But I remember when I was a kid, I used to see like something about like I'm not sure if it was a cruise or if it was like the hotels, but I know Best Western had like something, and it was like they had like SpongeBob, like I think it was a cruise or something. But I was like, yo, I want to go on that. I just remember it when I was a kid. I used to always see the commercials. Because of that, Best Western seems lit in my eyes. All right, let's see. Oh, wait, okay. My therapist says I'm doing much better. Hey, glad to hear. Hey, progress therapy wise. Been there 4 years and love it. That's good. That's good. What was I gonna say? Hey, that's good. That's yeah, that's good. What was I doing 4 years ago? I was at Best Buy. Yeah, I was working at Best Buy. Or was I at Amazon? I was at Best Buy. Yeah. I was at Best Buy. I was still like mining crypto. Um, yeah, that's cool. Is SoFi still in this range? So yeah, SoFi's still in this range. Let's see. Yeah, SoFi is very range bound. So if SoFi wants to get above this 385 and hold above it, it can run higher. But honestly, it's just chilling. Kelly, you're just chilling. I'm kind of chilling a little bit. But the pool in my apartment complex just opened up too. I think I'm kind of like hype about that until it gets kind of dirty, till a bunch of stuff gets in there. Yeah, I like pools when they're clean, and then like after like people swimming in, and you get the kids like with the band-aids and stuff. It's like, oh, oh, that's kind of nasty. Yeah, my son is going to high school. Oh, that's exciting potentially. I hope it treats him well. I hope it treats him well. Could you explain what a margin account on Robinhood is? Well, it's a margin account. Almost cried yesterday watching him. Hey, that sounds like that sounds like tears were jerked. But so margin account is not just a Robinhood thing. It's going to be any brokerage. But a margin account first off gives you the ability to borrow money. Yeah, it gives you the ability to borrow money against the money that you have in there. So for instance, if you have $2,000 in your account, you can borrow up to an additional $2,000. So let's say, say you have $2,000 invested in SoFi and you wanted to have more money to trade, but you didn't want to put more money in, you can borrow money with the margin account, or you can borrow up to an additional $2,000 with the margin account. But there are troubles with that too. If SoFi comes down and your value drops below $2,000 and you're borrowing a full $2,000, they're gonna do what's called a margin call. They're gonna either sell your shares or they're going to force you to put more money in there. So it's like I wouldn't really advise playing with margin itself, but it gives you the ability to borrow money. It gives you the ability to also trade certain spreads with different amounts. So like if you wanted to do a credit spread, for instance, or a debit spread, any kind of like dealing with multiple contracts in one trade, it gives you the ability to do that. And what is it then? What is it? Yeah, it gives you the ability to do that, and like pretty much you have more trade abilities with like you can go higher when it comes to margin or like option trading levels whenever you're on a margin account. And if you're on a margin account also, like if your account's over 25K, day trades are unlimited. Let's see. Whereas a cash account, you can buy and sell options, and then also you can sell calls and sell puts, but you need to have the money to cover it all. I almost cried yesterday watching him. What's your honest opinion on Path? Let's see. I don't even. Looks like it has some support right here at 13. Looks like it's showing resistance at about 13.25. Oh, it's kind of a tight range. Well, yeah, it's kind of tight. That's on the 4 hour. On the 1 hour, yeah, a lot of support at like this 1296 to 13 area. Okay, let's see. Interesting. Poll has more clicks than likes. Yeah, that seems about right. Yeah, some people just come through. They're like, oh, I want my vote to count. And then like click off. I don't know. Can you go back to a regular account if you do not want margin? Yeah. Yeah, you can. Like usually whenever it comes to switching from a margin account to a cash or a cash to a margin account, the only thing that is required for you to switch is you need to have all your like, I'm not sure about stocks. Like if you own stocks, I don't think they necessarily need to be closed. But if you have any options positions open, I think you need to have all your options positions closed. And then after you have all your options positions open or closed, you can swap to the other kind of account. I know you were talking about Fubo. The catalyst could be big money, knowing that. Yeah, it's like I can see. Like honestly, if you were to take Fubo and get like some leaps, I can see Fubo like going up to like $10. I wouldn't be surprised. Like I can see it going to at least $10, but I like the shares just, or I want the share just so I can like also sell premium. Well, also like depending on if I were doing it in a different account, I would just buy the leaps. Like if I were doing it in a margin account, and I would sell like poor man cover calls. Binge Penguin recently. Is that on Netflix, Julie? I might have to check it out. Let's see. Let me see what Penguin is. Actually, I feel like I heard of it. I just don't know what it is right off the. Okay. Oh, it's on Max. Okay. Okay, Max, Hulu. Okay, it's on Amazon Prime too. Okay, I have Amazon Prime. What's it about? Yeah, that might be for my wife. Let's see. I might have to put her on. El Salvador is looking real for me right now. Well, let's go. What do you mean by that? That's quite a comment right there. Triple A's. As what is triple A's? What is that? What's that mean? What you trying to say? Hey, we made it. We made it. I saw it on Sky over here. So yeah, I see we have it. I just looked it up. There's like a few places that it is. So, but it's not on Netflix. But it's apparently on Amazon Prime. So probably can look it up there. We got Amazon Prime. Spy almost back to resistance. Here, let's see. Hold up, when did it get over this trend line? Yeah, it's definitely trying to play. Definitely trying to play today. Yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know this week did not go well for the 52-week challenge. But hey, down but not out. As long as we don't have some sort of like face ripping rally again, we'll be all right. But bro, I didn't even realize we were this close to all time highs on the Qs. Oh wait, hold up, that's still like another $20. Oh no, the weekly chart made it look like it was just a couple dollars because I saw this at 522 up here, but that's for down here. Okay, I did realize we were that close. Let's see how we're looking on the daily. All right, we just got to overbought territory on the daily. We haven't been overbought on the daily since December 2024. We were crossing on a Friday. What was that? That's Monday. Friday the 13th. Monday. So we gapped up. Then we had a Wednesday where we just sold off. Okay. Kind of keeping this historical data just in my mind. Nvidia is stair stepping back up in a healthy way. Let's see. Let's see. Nvidia. Yeah, it's trying to hold that level. Stair stepping up and also still in a downtrend at the same time. All these different time frames, man. Why can't they all just tell the same story? You know, sometimes it's harmful to know too much. But yeah. All right, everyone have to leave. Hey, peace out. Peace out, Evil Knievel. Have a blessed day. Yeah, hope every all goes well. Yes, hope everyone makes their money. Wait, what's going on? Oh, hold up. Chase sent a photo. What is this? Opie PVT? What is this? I don't know if Chase is still here, but is that PVT? I don't know how to look at this. I don't know what I'm looking at. Let's see what this PVT thing is. I don't think that's the same thing. Yeah, I don't know what that is. I see some kind of like chart, some kind of asset. Sent me like a screenshot, but I don't know what this is. It didn't send any context either. Hut, Mara, Riot, Fubo. Here, let's see. So we got, hold up. Hey, Honest, hold up. I'm a little annoyed with Honest right now. I want Honest to, if Honest wants to come up. Actually, hold up. Let me look at Honest real quick. I think the next strike price for Honest options isn't till like 7, what is it, 0.75? Yeah, they need more strike prices in their they need more strike prices because I can't really sell premium on them more than like once a month anyway right now. And it's like even if they go up to 6, I gotta wait till they get to like 750 to sell premium. So back to what you were saying though. So HUD, Mara, what riots? Rajetti, QUBT is up insane. Mara, it's all right. Good little pop. They can get above like this 1670. So there's Mara. I feel like I used to have them all together. Yeah, Fubo is having a good little day. That's a really good day for Fubo. Coin is back up again a little bit. It's up like 7.5% on the day. Riot's up 6. We got Bitcoin up barely. All right, Nvidia's trying to show another black candle. And the Qs is back below that support, but the SPY is still moving. We'll see how things go. We got 9 minutes to Euro close. Have a TSLL call expiring today. Need all the UPIC and let's see. What's your expiration? Or not the expiration, what's the strike? What's this 604 call from? Oh, this is a call I bought earlier. Is it? No, I don't think I bought this today. Was this today? When did I add this? Oh no, no, I didn't add this today. We don't need that. What is this? Oh, that's something we were watching. That's an old one, but I still want to see how that does. Oh, clearly I don't have my phone on personal today. Got my little spam call today. Strike price for 15 in TSLL. Let's see. Let's take a little look. Look. I mean, it's in the money. Oh, that's a daily chart on the Qs. Okay. Let's see what else we got on. Hold on. Let's look at EL. I see that's popping off too, apparently. Oh no, that's just popular because of Oh, hold on. Apparently SoFi is crossing something. Let's see. Is it breaking support or resistance? Okay, SoFi's at resistance. What's your move here? Are you in any derived swings? Not. No, I'm not in any swings on Derive. I've been like watching it, but I'm not in any swings from Derive. But I do. Oh, it did just put out a swing on UNH, but it's a put. And it's kind of pricey. Let me see how UNH is moving. So if I can go ahead and get to 18. Shoot, if SoFi wanted to jump up to 18 right now, I'd take it. Well, FT or SCHD could do a thing. AT&T looks like it is kind of doing, well, it's doing the wrong thing in your case, but it looks like it's doing something. That's good movement. Sorry, you said not seeing the link I sent? What link are you looking for? Here, I'll reshare whatever the last link I sent was. I don't know if that's the link you were trying to look for, but that's the last link I posted in the chat. I also don't know if you're caught up, but if you are, that's the link. Yeah, I'm probably gonna cut off at Euro close in like 4 minutes because I'm feeling like I want to be free. Want to just go and explore right now. It's cloudy and it's like a hot day, So now it's like, a few weeks ago, Sunny was like, yo, let's get outside. But now it's like, oh, there's cloud cover. And, Matt, that's exactly what happened for me with Google and Spy. Was it Spy? Yeah, Google and the Spy today. That's exactly what happened with me. So these market makers know what they're doing. They're trying to they trying to put everyone at the wrong kind of in the wrong kind of spot. Here, I'm gonna make that I'm gonna make the the first week of the 52-week challenge public though. For those of y'all who haven't seen it, I'm gonna do that right now. Let's see. It's kind of early in the day, but let's see. Where do I go to do that? Yeah, I already got like 84 views. It says it would be best for me to post at 3, but I'm gonna post it right now. All right, so yeah, that video is public. We ride at dawn. All right, so here I'm gonna say, if y'all are looking for something to do directly after this video, I'm gonna drop the link to the first week of the 52-week. Right? It's like I'm gonna drop the link at to the first week of the 52-week challenge. There we go. I wish I could edit a message here. Let me delete that. And that's exactly what's happening. Trying to eat up some theta. Okay, so Euro has closed. What are we gonna do here? All right. Here, real quick. Are you trading? Nah. Those videos. So this would be me trading live for the challenge, but this week has not been a good week for me. It's like last week, yo, we hit it like right away on Monday. This week, we didn't quite get the moves. Okay, so we just got Euro closed, and it looks like we're starting off with upward movement into Euro close. But we're still in this range, so keep that in mind. SoFi might be potentially breaking out though. But yeah, that's gonna do it for the day, family. Appreciate each and every one of y'all for stopping by and saving us from El Salvador on a Friday. If y'all are looking for something to do after this, yo, I just posted a link down below I just posted a link right there, that last little message right there. First week of the 52-week challenge, so be sure to check that out if you're interested. But yeah, with that being said, Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Peace out, Evil Knievel. Peace out, D Skirt. Peace out, Matt. Peace out, Southern Magnolia. Peace out, All-Star. Peace out, Matt. Peace out, Big Reg. Peace out, Lyoko. Peace out, US Maple. Peace out, Master DRC. Peace out, Mommy. Peace out, Frank. Peace out, Randy. Peace out, Kareem. Peace out, Yoko. Peace out, Julie. Peace out, Big Reg. Peace out, Thizzle. Yeah, y'all have a blessed week. Yo, I hope y'all have a great weekend too. Yeah. Eat good. Peace out, Chase. Peace out, Dwight. Yeah, that's gonna do it for today. Peace out, family. Oh, peace out, Patrick. Yeah, can't forget about Patrick. But yeah, hey, we signing out now. And Waleska came through last second. Peace out.